Hello guys, this company we're about to talk about today has an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 based on over 90,913 reviews left anonymously by employees. They have also paid out millions of dollars to freelancers across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Audible Times. Please like, subscribe, share this video to anyone who might be interested. Now, this is another episode of Make Money. Here we show you where and how to make money. So sit back, relax. It's time to level up. As a freelancer, you will agree with me that it's not good to focus on one platform. That's why you spread your nets everywhere on Upwork, Clickworker, Freelancer.com, and every other site that is possible. This will increase your chances of earning massively. Today, we're going to talk about another platform called Tellus International. Tellus International supports a global community of 1 million plus members who help customers collect, enhance, train, translate, and localize their content to build better AI models. Tellus International offers freelancers work flexibility, engagement, diversity and opportunity, fair treatment and pay, excellence and integrity, including support. Now, the kind of jobs that you find in Tellus International includes data annotation jobs, data arrangement jobs, online rating jobs, online maps, and data analysis. Congratulations if you have made this far. Please comment Tellus in the comment area so that other freelancers can see this and you also help them to get done. And also subscribe and follow us to the next part of this video. So there's this big question that people always ask: how much can you make on Tellus? But actually, this actually depends on how many jobs that you can do. How much of your time can you actually invest into making money on Tellus? So, for instance, I'm sharing my Tellus UHRS, and you find out that here I've made some money. The first money I made here was actually $1.18, and this money was made in less than look at the number of in some seconds, and it was based on heat. Now I've made up to 85 judgments and 38 inch. I spent 38 minutes in all, and it's about I've earned about $1.18 in 38 minutes. So if it completes 1 hour and I make up to $2.8, and I do this for like so the reality is that if I commit up to 2 hours on this job, I probably earn $2 per hour. And if I commit 8 hours to this job, I will earn up to $16 in one full day. And that will be $480 in a month. And that will be over $5,000 in a year. Oh, that's money. That's a side also. I can actually settle a lot of your problems. $480, when you convert that, is a lot of money coming in every month. So this is just my earning for this month. I've not really done anything seriously on this, but I just tested it and just to show you that this is actually working. Just 38 minutes and I've earned $1.18. So, but the big question is, how does Tellus work? This is simple. After you have first signed up on the platform, you can see I'm already signed up with my name here, and then you can also you can sign up, with the link I'm going to share. Please, if you need to get on this platform, please kindly write "I'm interested" in the comment section and we'll paste the link to you. Just write "I'm interested" in the comment section. I will send you the link personally. So once you go to once you are signed up, you go to the marketplace, you start seeing jobs. Now, note that all jobs are based on hits. On this platform, you don't actually need any skill to do anything. What you need is just for you to read the instructions, which you are going to download here. Now, once you download the guideline, you start seeing what you actually want, what you're actually asked to do. So your task completion are based on hits. You get training. In this task, you have up to 20 hits. 20 hits here are training. So 20 hits are a number of times you actually hit on the answer. Now let's open a particular job, for instance. So once this job loads, you find out that all you just need to do is to click. So you will find out that this actually depends on the number of judgment that you make by simply hitting on any of these. So in this place, it says, please judge the quality of the content in the key points model on the right side. The quality of the content. So as mean this content has loaded, you just have to judge whether it's good, it's bad, or there's a page error showing on it. So once you click on this and you click submit, that this is the nature of virtually almost all the tasks on Telus. You just hit. So that's why they call it hit. Your jobs is based on hits, the number of hits that you actually perform. And in each job, you find the number of hits that are needed. Here is 20,000 hits. And each of these hits is you're going to get 4 cents for each of these hits, 4 cents for each of these hits. So the more you hit, the more number of cents that you are likely to get. So if you, for instance, you perform all 20 hits on this first job, if you perform all 20 hits on this first job, this is about 20,000 hits, and you are to be paid 0.0 cents. That's about $800. If you perform all of this, it's about $800, and that's some money for you. So some of them are 2 cents, depends. Now if you perform all 2k 2k hits on this particular job, you will earn about $40. So there's also an estimated time for the number of hits, 20 seconds, 30 seconds per hit. And once these hits are completed, it comes to your reports and you see the reports just like the way I showed you on my first hit, on my first less than 1 hour hits that I did. And so you can check your earning according to week, according to month. So in this month, I just did only less than 1 hour, like I showed you here, to 38 minutes to perform all these hits. And imagine if I do it throughout the day, how much I will earn. And then I do it severally throughout the weeks, I'm going to earn some bucks. So guys, this is legit, this is real. And for you to earn, immediately, you don't worry about earning when you are started out. It's when it's time for payout at the end of the month. If you complete this month, you'll be paid next month. So at that time, automatically Telus will open an account for you where you can receive all your money. So just for the note that if you don't do your tax very well, you'll be blocked on the tax. Like, I made some mistakes in this tax and I got blocked. So I failed to qualify. So once you fail to qualify, you'll be blocked from the tax because probably you're doing it wrongly. So tell me what you think about this on the comment section. Please leave your comment at the comment section and let us know your thoughts so that we can move ahead from there. So I hope all the things that you have heard today made sense to you. Please don't forget to leave a comment on the comment area so that you get the link. Telus is always employing, and we are happy that you are going to join the platform. Please leave a comment on the comment section. I will send you the link so that others can also see it.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. উত্তর